We all crave that healthy, radiant glow, but true beauty is more than skin deep. It starts within. It's about taking care of our bodies and minds. Detoxification is key to unlocking this inner radiance. It's about gently assisting your body's natural cleansing process. This allows your inner light to shine through. You deserve to look and feel your best. This 10-minute detox routine is a love letter to yourself. It's a journey to a healthier, more radiant you. The journey to radiant beauty begins with the choices we make every day. Nourishing our bodies with wholesome, natural foods is the first step. Fresh fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, play a crucial role in detoxifying our system. They help to flush out toxins and rejuvenate our cells, giving our skin that coveted glow. But it's not just about what we eat. Physical activity like yoga helps to stimulate our lymphatic system, which is essential for detoxification. Yoga not only strengthens our bodies, but also calms our minds, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. This balance of physical and mental health is vital for true beauty. Meditation and mindfulness practices are equally important. Taking time each day to center ourselves and clear our minds can have profound effects on our overall health. When we are mentally at peace, it reflects on our faces, making us look more vibrant and alive. Hydration is another key element. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep our skin hydrated and flushes out impurities. Adding a slice of lemon can enhance the detoxifying effects, providing a refreshing and health-boosting drink. Lastly, self-reflection and gratitude can transform our inner state. Keeping a journal to note down our thoughts, feelings, and things we are grateful for can help us maintain a positive outlook on life. This positivity radiates outward, enhancing our natural beauty. Remember, radiant beauty is a reflection of a healthy body, mind, and spirit. By embracing these practices, you are not just enhancing your outer appearance, but nurturing your inner self. This 10-minute detox routine is more than just a habit. It's a commitment to a healthier, more radiant you. You deserve to shine from within. Our breath is a powerful tool for detoxification. It's the first step in our 10-minute routine. Find a quiet space and get comfortable. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Imagine drawing in fresh, clean oxygen. Hold it for a moment, feeling your chest expand. As you exhale slowly, release any tension. Picture toxins leaving your body with each breath. Repeat this deep breathing cycle 5 times. Gentle yoga stretches are incredible for boosting circulation. This helps your body flush out toxins naturally. Let's flow through a few simple poses. Begin with the cat-cow pose. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Exhale and drop your belly, lifting your head and tailbone towards the sky. Repeat this flow 5 times. Our lymphatic system plays a vital role in detoxification. It removes waste and toxins from our bodies. This network of tissues and organs helps maintain fluid balance and supports our immune system. We can stimulate this natural cleansing process through gentle massage techniques. Using your fingertips, make gentle circular motions along your jawline, neck, and collarbone. Move towards your heart as this encourages the lymph fluid to flow in the right direction. Continue this gentle massage down your arms towards your armpits and down your legs towards your groin. This helps to stimulate the lymph nodes located in these areas, which are crucial for filtering out harmful substances. Feel the tension melt away as you support your body's natural detoxification process. Regular lymphatic drainage massage can also improve circulation, reduce swelling, and enhance skin health. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your overall well-being. You can perform this massage on yourself or seek the help of a professional therapist. Remember to be gentle and patient as the lymphatic system is delicate. Take your time, breathe deeply, and enjoy the calming effects of this practice. Incorporating lymphatic drainage massage into your routine can be a wonderful act of self-care, promoting relaxation and rejuvenation. After your massage, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out the toxins that have been released. Embrace this holistic approach to health and wellness, and feel the benefits of a well-functioning lymphatic system. Ancient Secrets Acupressure for Detoxification. Acupressure is a time-honored technique that has been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. It is a holistic approach that can help balance the body's energy and support the natural detoxification process. Acupressure is an ancient practice that involves applying pressure to specific points on the body. These points are known as acupoints, and they are believed to be connected to various organs and systems within the body. By stimulating these points, we can encourage the flow of energy, or qi, throughout the body. This can stimulate energy flow and promote detoxification. When the energy flows freely, it helps to remove toxins and impurities from the body, leading to improved health and vitality. Acupressure can also help to reduce stress, improve circulation, and enhance overall well-being. Let's focus on 2 powerful acupressure points. These points are easy to locate and can be very effective in promoting detoxification and overall health. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural ability to cleanse and rejuvenate itself. The first is the Hegu point, located between your thumb and index finger. This point is also known as Li4, and it is one of the most commonly used acupoints in traditional Chinese medicine. It is believed to help relieve pain, reduce stress, and boost the immune system. Apply gentle pressure to this point for 30 seconds. You can use your thumb or index finger to press firmly but comfortably. As you apply pressure, take deep breaths and focus on relaxing your body. This can help to enhance the effects of the acupressure and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Next, locate the Sanli point, found 4 finger widths below your kneecap, slightly off-center towards the outer leg. This point is also known as ST36, and it is considered one of the most important points for overall health and vitality. It is believed to help improve digestion, boost energy levels, and support the immune system. Gently massage this point for 30 seconds on each leg. Use a circular motion and apply firm but gentle pressure. As you massage, take deep breaths and focus on the sensation of the pressure. This can help to enhance the flow of energy and promote detoxification. By regularly stimulating these acupoints, you can support your body's natural ability to cleanse and rejuvenate itself, leading to improved health and well-being. Nourishing your body from within. True detoxification starts with what we put into our bodies. Choosing foods that support detoxification is crucial for radiant beauty. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins. Incorporate detoxifying foods into your diet. Leafy greens like spinach are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Supercharge your detox with healing foods. Aloe vera juice can aid digestion and promote detoxification. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can support liver function. Adding these foods to your diet can make a big difference. Enjoy a green smoothie for breakfast. Add turmeric to your soups or stews. Listen to your body and nourish it with these detoxifying powerhouses. Visualize and let go. Meditation for detoxification. Meditation is a powerful tool for detoxifying the mind and body. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Visualize a cleansing light flowing through your body. See it removing any negativity or toxins. As you exhale, imagine these toxins leaving your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. Spend a few moments in this peaceful state. The 10-minute detox routine. Congratulations! You've learned the steps of our 10-minute detox routine. Now let's put it all together. Begin with 2 minutes of deep breathing exercises. Follow with 3 minutes of gentle yoga stretches, including the cat-cow pose and standing forward bend. Spend 2 minutes on lymphatic drainage massage, focusing on your neck, underarms, and groin. Conclude with 3 minutes of relaxation and visualization. Repeat this routine daily. Beyond the 10 minutes, maintaining your radiant glow. This 10-minute detox routine is a fantastic starting point, but true radiance is a lifestyle. In addition to your daily detox ritual, make healthy choices throughout your day. Choose organic fruits and vegetables whenever possible. Limit processed foods, sugar, and caffeine. Move your body daily. Find an activity you love, whether it's dancing, swimming, or hiking. Embrace your natural beauty. Remember, beauty comes from within. It's about taking care of your physical and mental well-being. This 10-minute detox routine is a gift to yourself. It's a way to show yourself love and care. Embrace your natural beauty and let it shine through. You are radiant, you are powerful, and you are capable of achieving incredible things. Now go out there and glow.